Markets closed with gains of over 3% this week. For the day, the Sensex as well as the Nifty ended with gains of over 1%. Let's take it straight to Aisha Faridi with all the action on Dalal Street. Tell us, Aisha.
Well, good going this trading week, considering we made a dash at the 6100 mark and the futures closed above that level this week. And over the week, it's been a good 3.5% nearly gain coming in for the Nifty alone. The banks as well held out, almost a 4.5% gain coming in there. The mid-cap index, small cap, all held out by about almost 2.5%. It was the case for the Nifty Junior too. Cap goods, they were really the star performer this week sectorally with a near about 7% gain. IT as well held close with a 6% gain coming in. Auto, infrastructure, power, oil and gas, all of these sectors held out in trade. To the gainers then over the week, they included the likes of a DLF, Ranbaxy shot up, Infosys held out by almost 6%, BOB, Tata Motors, IndusInd Bank and ICICI Bank as well as JSPL and Tata Steel were other star performers. On the flip side, weakness coming in for Coal India, Hindalco, Cipla as well as Tessa Sterlite. The day as well was pretty interesting. Started off reacting to Infosys' earnings and the stock closed in higher by about almost 5% after what looked like a wobbly start and a volatile ride intraday. ICICI Bank, BOB, L&T, Tata Motors as well as HCL Technologies were your other gainers. Weakness coming in for Sun Pharma, Tessa Sterlite, NTPC, Coal India, Hindalco as well as Tata Power. And the broader markets as well, you saw a couple of these infrastructure and realty-based stocks actually hold out in trade. So Unitech, NCC, Indiabulls Real Estate were two such cases in point, or rather three. Adani Enterprises, Bharat Forge, OBC, Allahabad Bank, Union Bank, Rolta and Diwan Housing Finance as well were some of the standout performers. Let's see what next week throws up. We'll catch you again with all the market action on Monday morning on Trading Calls. For now, it's back to you in the studio.